Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to log out from Instacart account. First, open the Instacart app on your phone. You'll land on the home page. Next, tap the three lines in the top left corner of the screen. A menu will appear. Scroll all the way down to the very bottom and you'll see the logout option. Tap logout. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you're sure. Tap logout again to confirm. And that's it. You're now logged out of your Instacart account. And that's how to log out from Instacart account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.